Hi, my name is Brody Horn. I'm the Assistant Pit Crew Chief for the Cougar Strong Racing 999 team, and we've been looking for new students to join our National Championship Green Power program. So if you're an upcoming 6th, 7th, or 8th grader and you think joining a race team could be exciting, then buckle up and grab some popcorn and check out the rest of this video to see if Cougar Strong Racing is for you.
Green Power USA provides the opportunity to design, build, and race electric-powered vehicles. After building our F24 race car, students travel across the Southeast to compete at race events. There are two parts to a race event: the endurance race and the team's presentation. Both count for 50% of your overall event score. The goal in the endurance race is to log as many laps as possible in 90 minutes, utilizing 3 drivers and 2 pit stops. For the team's presentation, students collaborate on specific topics with varying formats as they follow a grading rubric.
We have multiple positions available for the new team members. Some of these positions involve working on the car, driving it, and working with our media and marketing team. All of these positions play a key role in the success of our team collaboration. We spent the first month disassembling and rebuilding our F24 so it's ready to perform. So far we have won first overall in 3 out of 4 races, and we have 5 more events left.
There are so many reasons why you would want to join Cougar Strong Racing. I can name them all, but that would take too long. So here are the top 4 reasons on why you should join Cougar Strong Racing.
One of the best parts of being on the team is actually going to the races. Traveling to brand new places is always fun, and there's nothing like the adrenaline rush you feel during a 9-second driver change pit stop and trying to maintain your speed position for a full 90 minutes with no wrecks.
Another reason why you should join our Green Power team at Long K Middle School is the team experience. When being part of the team, you can combine the strengths of all team members to accomplish a common goal like winning. You can also participate in our team activities like ice skating, an IHOP Christmas party, marching in the Christmas parade, an engineering day at Auburn, and field trips to visit sponsors and so much more. If you apply to join our Green Power team, you can make new friends, work together, and most importantly, have fun.
Another reason to join Cougar Strong Racing is the leadership opportunities. It is our pit crew chief's responsibility to make sure that the car is tuned and ready for race day. It is our trailer manager's responsibility to ensure that we have everything that we need for our races and that it is all organized and packed neatly in the trailer. Our battery managers are responsible for having the batteries charged and ready prior to each race heat. These are just a few of the leadership opportunities we have available for students.
The fourth and final reason on why you should join Cougar Strong Racing. Well, have you ever got a race at a NASCAR Speedway? For the first time in Green Power history, the National Championship race event will be held at the one and only Talladega Super Speedway. Would you want to race at a NASCAR Speedway? These are the opportunities you get to have by being a member of Cougar Strong Racing at Long K Middle School.
If you made it this far in our recruitment video, then Cougar Strong Racing could be for you. Applications are available from Mr. Graham in room 300. Stop by and get yours today.